Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing my Christmas unboxing because it's Christmas and I'm going to be opening all of my presents, so I hope you guys enjoy. We have this, which is also for my basketball. These are some new basketball shoes because I've gone out of my old ones. They're women's size 6 and they look really nice and clean. And finally I get to have some new shoes for basketball. I really like the gold on the edges and I like the black and white piece, so here they are. So these two are from my uncle and I'll start off by opening them. I have no idea what these are because they're fully wrapped, so let me start opening this. I'm starting to see this and I think it's some new AirPods because it says AirPods right here. So I'm going to open up the rest of this. And they're new AirPods and look at that. So this is what they look like. I'm not sure what model it is, but I'm super excited to use this with my iPad when I'm listening to music and stuff. So here they are. And they're really cool. So I was looking around in the box and around here it says that it's AirPod Generation 3, so that's really cool. So here are my AirPods. So next we have this little present, which is also from my uncle, so let me open it. See a green box here. That's what it is. And I think this is a mouse because it has that mouse image right there. So let me open the rest of this. Here it is. It's a gaming mouse and it's the Razer Death Adder Essential. I wanted a new gaming mouse for a really long time and here it is. It's super nice and I also like the design. It's green and I love green because it's my favorite color. So here it is. Okay, so I've saved the two last biggest presents for last and I'm going to open them right now. So first we have this package. It's in a very big bag and then there's a box in here. I'll show it to you. It's quite heavy. Okay, we've gotten it out and here it is. Let's move the bag out of the way for now. And it says right up here, Animal Fun's Waffle Maker. So let's take a look. This is the front, I think. And I think this is a waffle maker and it has all of these cute little animal shapes. There's a cat, dog, panda, and there's also a reindeer, which I should probably make because it's Christmas. This is super exciting because I really wanted this because I wanted to make all of these little kawaii waffles. So here it is, Waffle Wow by Kachina Pro. So here it is, like all of these animals look super cute and I can't wait to make waffles with them. Okay, so this is the last present we have and I'm going to open it. This also looks like a very big box and it's also heavy, so I'm just going to tip it to the side so it's easier to take out. Oh, this is heavy. Let's put this stuff in there. Okay, there we go. Let's put down the bag. And here we have it. It's the iVlog 1 smartphone video kit. So I guess this could be useful for vlogs and things like that and making videos. And I believe this kit includes a tripod and I think this is a mic. Yeah, that's a mic. And I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a light. And there's these gadgets, which I'm not sure what they are. Here they are. Maybe that's some kind of like camera lens or something. But here's all of this stuff. So let's open it up. So let's open it up. Here we go. Okay. We have a smartphone vlogging kit right here. And I think it's like a pamphlet to go through all of the things and all the parts in the kit. So let's put that to the side for now and open up the kit. We have like this case right here. I think this is containing all of the components. So let's put the box to the side. Here it is. Here are the zippers. Okay, here they are. Open it up. My sparkles are getting on the case. So, it's the other way. And let's open it up. Okay, there we have it. We have all of the parts. And so I think this is supposed to be the mic. Here we have it. Yay, I have a mic. So I could use this when I'm filming videos. Let's put that back in. And we have this. I think that was the camera lens shown earlier. Yeah, it's a wide angle lens. I think this is supposed to like make the camera so it has a wider angle and it could see more of the things around it. There is the lens. Let me screw that back on. I think like there's like all these parts that connect into a tripod, maybe like that. And then you can put the iPhone here. So I think that's what this is supposed to be. And let's see, this is the tripod. And then I think you connect the other parts to like put on top of this. So there we have the tripod. And that's the end of today's video. I had a fun time opening all of my Christmas presents. So I hope you guys all have a Merry Christmas too. Happy holidays. Bye.